Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be reacting to &TEAM Firework official MV. So I'm actually really excited to be reacting to this today. I really like &TEAM and it's been a while since I've reacted to them. I'm pretty sure the only time I really reacted to them on my channel was their debut for Scent of You, I think it was called, or Under the Skin. But I might have also reacted to Scent of You, I'm not sure. Under Your Skin or Under the Skin, I forgot. Under the Skin is such a good song. I am obsessed with that song, so I'm excited to be getting more music from &TEAM. But yeah, I think we should just jump into it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my links down below for my Patreon and my Instagram. It'll also be in the information button in the corner. Again, thank you guys so much for being here, and let's get into the video. So I forgot to mention in the beginning, I haven't seen any of the teasers and I also haven't read their webtoon, so I really don't know at all what's going on, and you will see that through the video, and I hope it's not too annoying. I tried my best to piece things together and like try to figure out what was going on, so if it seems like I'm just making stuff up, it's because I genuinely don't know what's going on. But yeah, feel free to let me know in the comments down below what you guys think all of this means. Let's get into the video. Okay. Okay, so that is a girl. Who is she? Ooh. Okay, so I know they're vampires and stuff. Okay. The freckles? Wow, this is really pretty. I wonder if &TEAM is just gonna have like this kind of like rock kind of vibe to them, because I feel like Scent of this Under the Skin kind of had this same vibe, and I'm obsessed with this, so I kind of hope they keep this kind of tone in their music. Oh, he's flying. Wow, their skin is so beautiful. Okay. Huh? Huh? The imagery is very beautiful in this, even though I am confused. Is it like a situation? Okay, is this like boy next door where they like all like the one girl, or is she just like a friend, you know? And like this is not about that at all. I don't know. His smile is so cute. Like, such a cutie. Okay. I love this scene. Oh, wow. Are they okay? Well, they're like really fighting for that. Low-key, I bet that was fun to film though. That looks so pretty. I love the coloring in this. Oh my god, I love the sound. You just get Is she like a werewolf hunter or something? Cause isn't that like a thing in like werewolf movies? There's like, or is it vampire hunters? Maybe she's like a werewolf hunter, and maybe they liked her, and then they found out she was a werewolf hunter, and maybe I should watch the rest of the MV because maybe I'll figure it out. Is she like shooting them? Oh, there is way more. Wow. First howling. Uh. Is she like stalking somebody? That's not Taki. I forgot his name, I'm sorry. I know who he is, I suck. Ooh. I feel like this man can't catch a break. I feel like in the last MV, like I heard in the comments that the guy who died in the beginning of the last MV was they're like the pack's head honcho. I forget what they're called, like the top guy. He died. So then I don't know. He's been through a lot. So what's gonna happen now? Isn't that full moon? Don't they change in the full moon? Right. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this is a webtoon. I could be mistaken, but I'm pretty sure it is a webtoon. I'm sure if I read the webtoon, I would understand this way more. Feel free to let me know in the comments down below what the hell is going on. But my guess is she's friends with all of them. But maybe some of them like her. But she's giving werewolf hunter. So, with the gun and all, and that can't be good. What does it say on her forehead? And she's like chasing after them, I think. And they're wearing werewolf masks. Okay, I missed it. Come on, Freckles. I love this scene. All the blue and the yellow. Come on. I think his name is Nicholas, right? I don't know why I'm asking that. I think he's my bias. And I'm like, I think his name is Nicholas, right? So was it a dream? What's going on with Taki? I love his voice. I'm confused, but I like the song. It's so good. Jesus. Didn't Under the Skin, didn't they have a scene where they like shot out a bunch of fireworks? I'm pretty sure, right? Where they're all like dancing? I love when they do that. So reach along. Slowly reach our hands forever. That's Nicholas, right? Why am I calling him Nicholas? I don't think that's his name. Nicholas. It's Nicholas, isn't it? Only I would have a bias and then like barely know his name. Like, how does that make sense? No, his name is Nicholas. I don't know why I'm going crazy. I think I'm just pronouncing it like weirdly. Nicholas. I don't know why am I pronouncing that so weirdly? I think it's Nicholas. I don't know why I'm doubting myself. He was the one getting shot. He's literally running away. Bang bang. Oh, I didn't even realize she was there. Kind of cute. Oh. I mean, the whole shooting part wasn't like that cute, but like, oh. Wait. Okay, wait, I didn't see that before. Wait. Yeah, okay. Okay. They're both gone. It's kind of giving like she knows something, he knows something that the others don't, you know? They both know something they don't. Cause why is she over here shooting Nicholas? And then with him, she's like fine. This low-key makes me want to read their webtoon because I like it's kind of interesting now that I think about it. But yeah, I really liked like the imagery in this. Why is he crying? Whose headphones are those? Are they his headphones? I love this. Something about this, like the blue and the yellow, and then it goes to like them like in the mud, like all dark and like. Is she here? I don't think she's here. I wonder if they're trying to say like when they're with her, they act a certain way, and then when she's not there, it's like this. Imagine. Jesus Christ. It's almost like they're trying to hold on to the thought of her, you know? Okay, so if it is her shooting him, like, kind of messed up. Considering they're over here, like, riding bikes together, smiling. I just realized they're holding hands. This is like a movie. Well, doesn't it, like, when it's a red moon, don't werewolves, like, change? But he's not changing, so does that mean he's not a werewolf? Or did they just, like, cut it and then he changed, and so I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening. Honestly, if their point in making this was to get people interested in reading the webtoon, they kind of did that, because I want to read the webtoon now, because I'm very confused, and it's very interesting, like, what's going on. You know, I want to know what the hell is going on. But if anybody wants to spoil it in the comments down below, feel free. I think I need to stop watching this. I could probably watch this for like hours trying to figure out what's happening. But yeah, I love the MV. I love the sound. I love the song. I just love the sound for &TEAM, and I hope that they stick to this like almost like rock pop kind of situation. It's like one of my favorite genres, my favorite sounds, especially in like K-pop, you know, J-pop and all that. Like I just love when you do like a more like rock pop kind of vibe, you know. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below how you guys felt about this MV, how you guys feel about the song. Are you guys feeling it? Are you guys feeling this MV? What do you think this MV is about? If you guys know, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my links down below for my Patreon and my Instagram for more. It'll also be in the information button up there. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.